everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. I am showing you today how to create this gorgeous calendar for year 2024, that is 2024. And just like every year, this year also I have created this super gorgeous calendar with some different technique. In this time I have added the calendar in the middle where you can flip your months easily, and this is hanging in between two bars. So I will share the technique how to create this, how to decorate this with handmade quilling flowers and all the small details. And this is the base stand. You can make it stand on your desk very easily. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this thick sheet which measures 36 by 16 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 13 centimeters, 26 centimeters, 30.5 centimeters and 35 centimeters. Now I am folding all the creases and burnishing it very well. So it should look like this. After folding here, I have created one window or one panel which measures 9 by 9.5 centimeters, and we have to cut both the sheets together, that is the front and back, both the sheets together, and cut the window. In this place I am going to hang my calendar. And after connecting the last portion, it should look like this. Then here is my ready-made calendar which I bought, and the dimensions are 8 by 8.5 centimeters. So according to the size of this I have prepared my base. If you are taking the ready-made one, so you have to take the measurements according to your calendar. And since I didn't have printer here, I have to took the ready-made one. Otherwise you can also print small calendar months in this dimension. Now I am decorating the base from inside using pink color cardstock. The pink cardstock is having 250 GSM thickness. Then just sticking the first part with the last, burnish it very well. And on the other side where we have just stuck, I am adding one more pink strip just for the finishing. And the base is completely ready. It's standing nicely. Now I am taking one newspaper piece which is 18 by 10 centimeters, and from one corner I am just making one pipe. Like this. It should be nice and thin. Then taking one purple color paper and sticking the pipe inside this. So in short, we have to wrap our pipe using any color strip. Here I am using purple and pink combination for today's project. So we have already added pink cardstock on the base. Now I am taking purple color. I have cut the excess purple paper from left and right sides and only kept the part which fits perfectly in between these two pillars. And rest of the portion I have just flattened so that we can stick it easily. And now I'm just wrapping one pink color strip around this purple pipe just to decorate it. And this is done. Now taking back my calendar, passing the pipe through this and then adding glue on the newspaper flat portion and sticking with these pillars like this. It's looking very perfect and nice. So adding lots of glue on the base and sticking the pipe nicely. And this is done. We can flip the month very easily and perfectly. Now I'm taking this beautiful gold mirror cardstock which is having self print and sticking it on the front part of the calendar to hide the newspaper portion, and everything is covered nicely. So the base of the calendar is ready. Now it's time to make the quilling flowers. For my first flower I am taking 1/4 strip of dark purple and 1/4 strip of white and making one teardrop shape. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of light purple color and making one bended teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now joining all three petals together and wrapping it using white color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am going to join total 9 petals together and making one flower. On the center of the flower I am adding one big tight coil which is made using 2.5 strip of white color. Then around this I am just decorating some half cut pearls. These are 3 mm half cut pearls. And the gorgeous flower is ready. Now for the next flower I am taking half strip of light pink color and 1/4 strip of white color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping white color strip around this and the petal is ready. Now I'm joining total 6 petals together and making the flower. In the center I'm adding dark purple tight coil, which is made using half strip of dark purple. And similarly I have prepared one more flower. Now to make leaf, I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green and 1/4 strip of dark green color, making one leaf shape, just joining 3 petals together, and in the same way we need total 4 leaves. Now here I have created this cute tilde sketch using watercolors and just fussy cut it. Added one piece of cardboard on backside of this to give dimension. You can also use double-sided foam tape, and sticking on the left bottom corner just to fill up the area, and it also looks cute. And then I have these doilies. I cut my white doily from center to divide it in 2 parts. So I'm just adding in other corner of the calendar. This is a beautiful die by Dress My Craft, and I have used my Easy Cuts machine to cut this. All the supply links are given in the description box. If you want to purchase anything, you can just go through that link. Also decorating the center 2024 using this frame die. This is again by Dress My Craft. And then taking back my all the quilling shapes which I have just created and decorating the bottom right corner. Then adding 2 cute butterflies on the calendar. Like this. And a very gorgeous hanging calendar for the 2024 is ready. In this way you can prepare your own handmade calendar to decorate your desk, and it is very easy to flip each and every month. And also this is very good idea to gift it to your friends, your family with this unique handmade gift. I'm sure they will like for sure, because the handmade gift is having more value according to me. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Happy New Year in advance. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.